welcome to Growing Guitar. We have it here now, ZAYN's new song called Die For Me. A great song, very simple to learn, guys. So yes, take the opportunity to refresh yourself with a new guitar song. And before we start this tutorial, I want to mention I have a guitar here that I'm using here. It has been my workhorse lately, like a half year back or so. It comes from the great guitar brand called Anchor Guitars, and I use them because they're great, nothing else. You can also use my coupon code here. It's called I think it's Growing Guitar 10. You will have 10% off on an already great price. A great deal on this, fantastic guitar for this price. So a guitar I could die for. Speaking of die for, let's go into this tutorial, guys. ZAYN's song, we had a capo set on 3rd position. That's the absolute best scenario for us, and with that we have a couple chords to go over, and let's start with them. So E minor first. E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the C, and C will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then you're gonna finish off with this E minor grip, but you skip that E string in the bass and we replace that with the 2nd fret A string instead, which you're holding from the E minor chord. This is the E B chord, okay? So the B string, B note here will be the bass. So exact same grip without this open E string. And there you have all the chords and also the chord progression here for the song. It goes like that through the entire song. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. Grab the first chord, E minor, and one string around goes like this. It's a total of 6 downs. The first 3 downs goes 1, 2, 3 on the bass strings. And the part 2 will be, so you go down on the high strings and you finish off with another 2 downs on the bass strings. So that will be a total of 6 downs. The first 3 downs are part 1 and the last 3 downs part 2. So like this together for 1 round. Okay, a couple rounds goes. Okay, simple. Let's go into the chord progression now. You're gonna play E minor 2, then G 2, A minor 2, C 1 full round plus part 1, the first 3 downs, and then you finish off with this E B chord, also part 1, 3 downs. So the split there in the end is C 1 full round plus the 3 downs, and then you finish off with the 3 downs on the E minor B chord. So together that sounds like this. Alright guys, there you have it, ZAYN's new song called Die For Me. Strong, cool song from him. Hope you liked this, and if it was helpful, let me know, and be back for next upload. Till then guys, play tuned.